What's going on, YouTube? So it's pretty windy outside. I apologize if the audio is pretty terrible. Today I want to do this kind of quickly. So the water pump on my Ram broke, which is right over there. Got a bulletproof diesel water pump. This thing's like pretty nice actually. So it's all billet, super nice. So I got that. I also got a new Gates belt. I figured I'm gonna take off the water pump, try to put on the new one. Let's get to it. Yeah, all right. Alright, so I got the old water pump off. It's actually wiggling, so I think the bearing seized on, or it might have broke on this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one has 6 blades. Belt's installed. I got the whole thing buttoned up already. Surprisingly, this actually wasn't very hard. Maybe once I get the hang of it, it would probably only take me about 10-15 minutes to complete. It's actually pretty easy. There's only 3 fasteners, and just trying to get the belt off and getting it put back on was like the hardest thing. So it's not too bad. But anyways, I'm getting cold. I need to hurry up because I want to go inside already. I'll probably just fill it up with coolant tomorrow because I'm freezing already. So if you guys could like the video, I'd greatly appreciate it. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next time. And I'll see you guys on the next one.